In my lab, we're doing computer graphics. Most people associate computer graphics with entertainment, video games, with what we see in movies. Nowadays, it becomes quite easy to generate an image that looks photorealistic. In that sense, we can say that the computer graphics field has passed the graphics Turing test, which is that we can create images where we cannot distinguish between real and synthetic. The next challenge is generation, content creation, to create novel content. In my research, a central question is whether a computer can be creative. And nowadays, it's extremely difficult for a computer to be creative, or even impossible. So in my lab, in the last 10 years, we have developed the notion of inspiring modeling, wherein the computer assists and helps the user to be more creative. We created tools where we generate inspiring examples to the user. Here we have an image, for example, and we want to colorize it. So we automatically generate a gallery of different variations of colorization, so the user can pick the one that he likes. He can even narrow down and refine his pick. Another example is through a set evolution, where we grow a set of an entire population of objects, not a single one. And here the object, through the generation, evolves and become more and more complex and probably more interesting. One of the most interesting aspects of my research is to better understand how to create shapes, create different variations, and some of them may be unexpected. Now, the emergence of deep neural network will open new opportunities to better learn the data and shapes in the hope that in the future, computers will be more creative. Through all these tools, we try to inspire the user through some examples. Hopefully some of them it didn't envision and can be unexpected, so it can inspire the user to come up with new ideas. Whenever we discover something new or encounter something that we didn't see before, we smile. And I see that also in my students, they smile. We like to see new stuff, new things, bright ideas. And I think this is exactly what motivates me and my students.